back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to adjust color curves in LumaFusion. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to adjust color curves in LumaFusion, all you gotta do is simply go to LumaFusion. So once you're in your LumaFusion, you need to be very mindful about the thing that LumaFusion does not have a direct tone curve tool like the desktop software. You adjust colors curve using like different kind of tool. It still uses the level tools like shadow for shadows, midtones, highlights, and contrast. You can also use RGB sliders like color temperature and vibrance saturation, and you can often layer it with like LUTs, that is lookup tables. You can simply do this for precise tonal and correct color adjustment. You can mimic like curves to create cinematic looks, but you cannot actually adjust color curves in LumaFusion directly. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.